Hi guys, welcome. Today I'll discuss about WBCS Preliminary Exam 2019. Subject Indian Polity. Question and solution. WBCS Preliminary Exam 2019. Question and detailed solution. Right to vote and to be elected in India is A. Fundamental right, B. Natural right, C. Constitutional right, D. Legal right. Right answer on the screen is answer D. Right to vote and to be elected in India is a legal right. Next question. In the Constitution of India, promotion of international peace and security is included in the preamble of the Constitution, B. Directive principle of state policy, C. Fundamental right, D. 9th schedule. So on the screen, answer B. DPSP, Article 36 to 51. Article 51, promotion of international peace and security. Third, what will follow if a monetary bill is substantially amended by the Rajya Sabha? The Lok Sabha may still proceed with the bill accepting the recommendation of the Rajya Sabha. B. The Lok Sabha cannot consider the bill further. C. The Lok Sabha may send the bill to Rajya Sabha for reconsideration. D. The President may call a joint sitting for passing the bill. Right answer is answer A. Article 80 deals with Rajya Sabha, Article 81 Lok Sabha. Next, the idea of welfare state in the Indian Constitution is enshrined in its A. Preamble, B. DPSP, C. Fundamental rights, D. 7th schedule. Option B. DPSP. Article 38 provide the idea welfare of the people. Preamble adopted from USA. DPSP Ireland. 7th schedule distribution of power between center and state. The fundamental object of Panchayati Raj system is to ensure which among the following: people participation in development, political accountability, democratic decentralization, D. Financial mobilization. Answer C. Decentralization. Article 40 organization village panchayat, first panchayat at Nagaur district in Rajasthan. 7th Constitutional Amendment Act 1992. Recommendation of Balwant Rai Mehta Committee. Next, the power to increase the number of judges in the Supreme Court of India is vested in A. President of India, B. the Parliament, the Chief Justice of India, D. the Law Commission. The power to increase the number of judges vested in answer B. Parliament. Consists Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha plus President. Total judge 33 plus 1. Total 34. Article 124 deals Supreme Court. Next, mark the correct date and year in which Constitution of India came into being. 15 August 1947, 24th July 1948, 20 July 1951, 26 January 1950. Answer of this question is D. 26 January 1950, celebrated as Republic Day of India. According to the Constitution of India, it is the duty of the President to present which one of the following on the desk of Parliament: recommendation of the Union Finance Commission, 2. Report of Public Account Committee, 3. Report of Comptroller and Auditor General, report of the National Scheduled Caste Commission. Option A on only, B 2 only, C on 3 and 4 only, D all of the above. Right answer is C. Next, which of the following organization village agricultural marketing and farm friendly reforms index? Niti Aayog, B. Ministry of Agriculture, C. Commission for Agricultural Cost and Price, none of the above. Right answer is A. Niti Aayog. Niti Aayog, National Institution of Transforming India Aayog. It replaced Planning Commission in 2017. Who was one of the advocate of United Sovereign Bengal? A. H.S. Rawadi, B. Sama Prasad Mukherjee, C. Maulana Abul Kalam Azad, none of the above. Right answer is A. Right answer of this question is A. Next question, which article of the Constitution of India guarantees to all citizens the freedom of speech and expression? Article 16, Article 17, Article 18, Article 19. Right answer on the screen is option D, Article 19. Article 18, abolition of title. Article 17, position of untouchability. Article 16, equality of opportunity in matter of public employment. Next question on the screen. Which schedule of the Constitution of India distribute power between the Union and states? A. First schedule, B. Second schedule, C. Sixth schedule, D. 10th schedule. Right answer of this question is D. 7th schedule. First schedule deals with Union and its territories. Second schedule, salary and emoluments. Sixth schedule, administration of tribal areas and northeast state. Next question on the screen. The 86th Amendment of the Constitution of India alters a directive principle of the Constitution to provide for early childhood care and education for all children until 6 years. B. State to provide free legal aid. C. Encouraging village panchayat. D. Prohibiting intoxicating drink and drugs injurious to health. Answer A. 86th Amendment 2002 made education a fundamental right of children 6 to 14 years. Article 21A. District judge in a state are appointed by the option A. Governor. B. Chief Justice of High Court. C. Council of Ministers of the state. D. Advocate General of the state. Right answer of this question is option A. Article 153 deals with governor of a state. First governor of West Bengal. C. Rajagopalachari. First woman governor of West Bengal, Padmaja Naidu. Next question. The impeachment of the President of India can be initiated in option A. Either House of Parliament. B. A joint sitting of both the House of the Parliament. Option C. The Lok Sabha alone. Option D. Rajya Sabha alone. Right answer A. Article 61 procedure for impeachment of the President. Joint sitting presided by Speaker. Joint session summoned President. Joint session deals with Article 108. Next. Power to grant pardons are enjoyed by which of the following constitutional authorities? Option A. President. B. President and Governor. Option C. Governor alone. Option D. Chief Justice of Supreme Court. CGI. Right answer B. Article 72. Power to President to grant pardons. Article 161. Power to Governor to grant pardon. Next question. Article 280 of the Indian Constitution lays down the establishment of the A. Planning Commission. B. Interstate Council. C. River Water Tribunals. D. Finance Commission. Right answer is D. Finance Commission. President ordered to make Finance Commission on every 5 years. President. Next, the Panchayat Raj system of India has A. 1 tier, B. 2 tiers, C. 3 tiers, D. 4 tiers. Panchayat system in India. Answer C. Article 40 Organization of Village Panchayat. Schedule 11. Next question. Which of the following amendment of the Indian Constitution is related to reservation of SC and ST and representation of the Anglo-Indians in the Lok Sabha and State Assembly? A. 54th Amendment. B. 63rd Amendment. C. 111th Amendment. Option D. 79th Amendment. Right answer D. 79th Amendment. Part 20 deals with amendment procedures. Article 368 Amendment of the Constitution. Next, the Constitution Bill 123rd Amendment 2017 deals A. Empowers National Commission on Backward Classes. B. Empower National Council for Backward Classes. C. Empowers National Council for Scheduled Caste. D. Empowers National Commission for Scheduled Caste. Answer A. Empower National Commission on Backward Classes. Present Chairman Bhagwan Lal Sahni. Article 338B deals with this commission. Next, which section of the Indian Penal Code deals with adultery? A. 496, B. 497, C. 498, D. 499. Right answer is B. 497. Next, Executive power of the state is bestowed on the governor by which article of the Indian Constitution? Article 156, Article 155, Article 154, Article 153. C. Article 154. Article 153. There shall be a governor of state. Article 155. Appointment of governor. Article 156. Term of the office of governor. Next. The full-fledged state of Telangana came into existence on 1st June 2013, 1st June 2014, 1st June 2015. Option D, 1st June 2016. Right answer is B, 1st June 2014. Capital Hyderabad. Governor Tamilisai Sundarajan. CM K. Chandrasekhar. Lok Sabha seat 7, Rajya Sabha seat 17. Thanks for watching. Stay with us. Do like, comment and subscribe. Study MCQ. Thank you.